Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Instagram by mobile number. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up the Instagram application and then tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner and make sure that contact number is saved on your phone you want to search, and then tap on these three bars in the top right corner, and now here tap on this account center. Here tap on this your information and permissions. Then tap on this upload contacts. Here you need to select your profile and then you need to toggle this on. Tap on this continue, and as you can see your contacts are syncing. And now go back and then you need to toggle this on. Now go back and in the search bar just simply search the contact number and the search results navigate to the accounts option. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.